Welcome to a new video, guys. Table salt liquid soap. Beautiful, foams well, and very effective. Only 3 ingredients. 1 table salt, 250 grams. 1 water, 3 liters. 2 SLS rice to 5-0G. 3 Texapon, 1 kilogram. Pour salt and stir. Dissolve SLS in 1 liter of. Pour the SLS solution. Stir vigorously. Pour in Texapon. Economical, foamy, and effective. Add coloring. Please like and share. Any questions? Please drop your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, please. Thanks for watching.